Hey guys, just want to go over my plan coming into today and then my plan going forward. So, into next week. So, obviously, my plan was to watch this balance area as we have this value area low and value area high, and it aligns essentially with the value area low and value area high that we created yesterday. And I was actually able to catch this low here at 12s as we played off of this, and then we rallied really strongly as we came down here. Tons of selling, and we looked like we trapped everyone down in here, and there was so much selling that those people needed to release their positions. Kind of had probably like a little bit of a short squeeze. So the plan from yesterday worked really well. This level worked really well at 12, and then up here at 46 and 73 we're pretty reactive. Up in here I'm less confident in the reactivity of these levels, though I will look at them for context. So going into next week, now we have this trapped inventory down here at the lows. I'm still just looking at these levels. 46 is going to be a big level, as well as 34 if we ever come back down to retest that. If we open up in here, I'm not quite sure that I'm going to be super confident in these levels or the 73 level, though I will use those for context. And I would say I'm a little bit bullish as we trapped quite a few people down at that low, and we're super aggressive on the downside. So I think we could still get some rallies. So I'm mainly going to be watching the footprint, and then these will just be levels of interest. Kind of this 83, 81 area, and then 73. If we can find a bid at either of these levels, I'm going to be interested to go long. If we start showing bearish tape, obviously we would want to do the opposite and sell those levels, and then maybe we could come back down into here. But it all depends on where we open up. So if we're opening up quite up here, I would be pretty willing to try to dip in some bids at 83, 81, depending on the action on the tape. But yeah, pretty simple, nothing crazy. Just,